Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October 29th, 2019, and I want to give an update on my squash plants. Now, this is an early crookneck squash that are growing in my greenhouse in Pennsylvania, and I'm in zone 5B for gardening, and I am working on an experiment this year to see if I can get my squash plants to give throughout the winter time. So I did want to show you here. These are getting ready to bloom, and you can see this one here has a little baby squash on it right here, and this one here is going to be a male flower because it doesn't have any little squash on the end. So this is the male here, and this is the female with the little squash on it. And these did just get fed today. They both got fed with Sea Magic, and I also fed them with some of the Epsom tomato tone and watered them in real good. Now I do also feed these sometimes with the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. What I do is I look at the plant, and if the plant looks like, you know, it needs a more balanced fertilizer, I'll give it some of the 555 Eco Scraps plant food. And if it looks like it's doing good, then I'll give it some of the Epsom tomato tone, which is, I believe, a 345 plant food. And I've been experimenting this year, growing stuff in the greenhouse, because this is the first year I got my greenhouse, with different plant foods to see how the plants respond to it and how they're growing. So I'll put some links down in the description for those plant foods. And I do feed these with Sea Magic, and they get fed every 2 weeks with that. Now, we did have a little bit of an issue with powdery mildew, and I took those leaves off right away as soon as I seen it. I was working on getting the greenhouse cleaned out more, and we were working on controlling the humidity in it. So we've been running the fan. Now we did heat the rest of the greenhouse. Before, half of it was heated, half of it wasn't. So we went ahead and got the rest of it heated just yesterday. We finished that. So now the whole greenhouse is heated. So we're hoping that that's going to help take care of some of the excess moisture. I also only water my plants during the morning, so that everything has a chance to dry out and get drier before nightfall comes. And that seems to be helping a lot. Now, the one day it was an extremely windy day out, and I couldn't have any of the doors open at all. It was just way too windy. So that didn't help with the moisture, but we did manage to get it under control. So it's just running the fan and watching how much you water your plants, keeping them on the drier side, and that seems to be helping. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now, being that these are growing in the greenhouse, I am going to have to hand pollinate them over the winter time, and I am going to put up artificial lighting to help with them not having all of the full spectrum of the sun, being that it's going to be winter time. So I'll keep you updated on how these are growing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!